Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk about the Inspect mobile application. Inspect is an easy way for drivers to complete the driver vehicle inspection report, which meets both the Canada and the US mandates. So this Inspect application is extremely beneficial because it solves multiple problems for both the driver as well as the fleet administrator. Prior to the Inspect application, drivers would have to fill out paper DVIRs. They'd have to fill it out for a pre, a post, and an in-trip inspection, and they'd have to then provide all those papers for filing to their administrator. And from a fleet administrator perspective, once your drivers complete the DVIR, it'll all appear on the web portal where you can print it or look through it just to make sure that everything is completed. This application will benefit both the driver as well as the fleet administrator. From a driver perspective, once you've logged the defects and completed the DVIR, it'll flow into the mechanics portal. Your mechanic can go in, see what defect it is, create a work order, repair it, and you have a full record of it in the web application. The Inspect mobile application makes DVIRs so much easier from both a driver perspective as well as an administrative perspective, and drivers love to use it because it's right at their fingertips. This is definitely something that is both compliant and easy to use.